Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy guide, I'm going to show you how to log into your TikTok account using your Google account. The simplest and safest way to get started on TikTok in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new account or just want an easier way to sign in, this method will save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type TikTok and hit enter. You should see TikTok's official website appear at the top of your search results. Click on that link to go straight to TikTok's homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure it's the official TikTok site. That's important to keep your information safe and secure. Now, on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a login button. Go ahead and click it. You'll now see several options for signing in, like using your phone, email, or other social accounts. For today's tutorial, choose the option that says Continue with Google. When you click that, a pop-up window will appear showing all the Google accounts currently signed in on your device. Simply select the Google account you want to use. If the account you want isn't listed, just choose Use Another Account and sign in with your Google email and password. TikTok might ask for a bit of extra information, for example, your birth date, just to confirm that you meet their age requirements. Once you've entered that, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into TikTok using your Google account. This method is super convenient, completely secure, and perfect for those who don't want to remember another password. Now you can start exploring TikTok, from trending challenges to creative videos, or even start making your own content. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more quick digital guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy TikToking.